Meta charges over $500 for prescription transition lenses for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and I just got a pair for $45. I wear these glasses every single day. They are my reading glasses, my distance glasses, so I need lenses that actually work. And so many of you have mentioned in my comments this one brand over and over again, so I finally decided to give them a try. So here's what I got, whether it's actually worth switching, and I'll show you exactly how fast these transition in real sunlight. VRROC sent me 3 pairs of lenses, and let me show you what I found. The first thing you need to know is that VRROC makes lenses for basically every single model of Ray-Ban Metas there is, including Wayfarer, Headliner, and Skylar glasses. And it's not just prescription lenses. They actually have 5 different types. There's clear, tinted, gradient tinted, mirrored, and my favorite, the transition lenses. So you're not locked into one look. You can match the lenses to your situation. And here's something that VRROC has that the official Ray-Ban Meta lenses cannot do. The prescription range for VRROC is actually a lot wider than the official Meta lenses. The myopia is up to -20 on VRROC, and the hyperopia is up to a +12. Astigmatism is plus or minus 10, and that is a really big window. And they're all high index, ultra thin material. So even if you have a strong prescription, you shouldn't be getting really chunky lenses that stick out of the frame. They all come with a free anti-glare coating, and it is free shipping worldwide. And that's all included. There is no surprise costs at checkout, which is really nice. Okay, so let's test this out. This is a UV flashlight to simulate the sun. I meant to do this outside, but it's been cloudy the last few days. Anyway, you can see how much darker the lens gets compared to the lens on the left. And then here's what the lenses look like once I came back inside from being outside. Let's talk about how to actually swap out the lenses yourself at home. When I first did this, probably a couple of years ago, I was really scared and thought it was really hard. But at this point, I've swapped out so many lenses that I feel really comfortable doing it now. The way you do it is you press in on the nose side right here, and then the lens will pop out. And that's pretty much it. Now, popping them out feels really scary, but then when you put the new one in, it feels even scarier, but it's okay. These lenses and the frames are intended to stretch a little, so as long as you're like gentle, they will eventually pop into place and it'll be fine. This whole process, once you feel comfortable with it, is actually quite fast, and I'm usually able to pop my lenses in and out within seconds. In fact, I've gotten so comfortable at changing out my lenses that I now travel with extra lenses with me. So in here are my reading prescription lenses, and then I also have here pink gradient lenses because they're cute and to match with my outfits. And I also have here my gray transition lenses for when I'm walking out and about. So these are the prescription lenses, and it's important to test out the prescription so that way you don't get any headaches and make sure that they feel really good. I had forgotten actually that I ordered the distance lenses on this at first, so I was trying to read things on my computer and I was freaking out a little bit because they weren't working the way that I had hoped, and then I checked the prescriptions that I ordered and they're actually the distance ones, and for the distance they feel great. So in case you're thinking about what type of lenses to order for you, if you're intending to use your glasses the way most people use them, which is outdoors to take photos and videos and take calls while they're out and about, you will want the distance lenses. Now, VRROC gave me a 10% discount code for all of you. I will link in the description below if you're interested. And now that you're all set with your prescription lenses, if you're wondering if you should get the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 versus the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, make sure you watch this video next, and I will see you in the future.